I just saw the roll. Okay, so that's times 3. Okay, that's our extras. Okay, good. Okay, now my favorite, I like something that has, okay, we have beef and egg roll. So I like to mix it up. Like, I want to pick something that's
I know, so I want to see what you guys pick
or,
first.
Yeah,
Okay, well, Uncle Dave, you go first.
Okay, you
I'm
go.
going to go to the car and...
We are recording. I'll take this back and put it through my computer and really make it high quality. If something happens, we'll have it on tape and say, this is what happened. So keep talking. If you're going to make some comments, go ahead. Oh yeah. See? Nice and easy, nice and slow, nice and gentle.
Oh, yeah, you gotta be.
Oh, look out! What's that nude woman doing?
Freezing her butt off.
Yeah.
Literally.
We won't get any streakers tonight. What is it? What do they call them? The polar bears, is it?
Yeah.
Where they go...
You know what they do sometimes is they put a hot tub right next to the hole. And then they jump in and they go, I'd try that.
Yeah. I know in Toronto, on the beach, they do a polar bear dip around
They'd have to tie a
Christmas.
rope around me. I'd be scared that
I'd think about having a heart attack or something, having a seizure.
Yeah.
That's why I don't take cold showers. Years ago, I had a seizure from the water turned cold.
If it's summertime, I'll put it.
Okay, what's this? Is that hatchback open? I think it is.
Yeah, it is.
Why did it stop recording? Maybe I bumped it.
Hear my tires spin.
Yeah, that's what that sound is, eh?
My car lets you know.
Yeah. Well, as long as the axle doesn't give out.
It's got a plate welded on it.
Yeah.
I think it would be frozen solid right now, though.
Well, at least it's not going to be too bad. You know, you're in control. Never mind, I'm being silly. I'm just saying you're in control. I'm thinking it could be minus 26. And
No, sometimes it won't stop. It's scary. Watch going down the hill.
I was watching and I saw that Daniel, what did she say? I was watching and I saw that Daniel got out. Thanks again. Hey, you forgot to give me the 30. I forgot to give Leslie the 30.
Nice.
I'll have to put that into the video where she said that.
Yeah.
I just had to record that bit of her sitting there in her coat.
Wish I had a ski-doo right now.
Oh yeah.
Excellent ski-doo weather.
Yeah, I've never been on one. It's something I gotta do one time. I have been on one. I was on last year, was it? Yeah, we were on one of those little, the waters, the things that the water ski-doos. Let's call them that. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Those things are like
A sea-doo.
Yeah, they're like wow. They throw you right off.
I don't know if I've ever ridden a sea-doo. I was in a sea-doo boat before. I was skiing, water skiing. You ever done water skiing? Mm-hmm. I did it barefoot.
Yeah.
It's probably dangerous though.
Well, you'd have to practice
If you
it.
hit a stick or a rock or something.
Well, you'd have to be deep in the water to where you're not going.
No, it was easier barefoot than with the skis because when the boat goes, it just pulls you to the top, right?
Yeah.
So the skis, they kind of sometimes go to the side and you wipe out. So barefoot, you could stay up longer, but
I wouldn't.
you got to worry about a rock or a stick.
That's what I mean. Yeah, the rock.
Chances of a rock are slim because if you're gonna hit a rock, chances are the boat will hit the rock, but the stick can still fuck you up.
Yeah, it can slice you. Oh, jeez, I think how many times I've got them. That gets me. Maybe he's got a problem with this. Maybe he doesn't know they're off. He should get a, but he'd have a thing on his dashboard. That's why I'm glad I have my. That's why I'm glad I got the light on my bike.
Yeah.
Because it stands out. It's as bright as one of the car lights, you know?
Yeah.
It's a big bright thing. Good for 5 hours straight. Now, if you go off the side of the mountain, I'm going to kill you.
Well, if I go off the side of the mountain, we're in trouble. So.
But you've got that parachute installed.
That would be pretty cool.
Yeah. This is how our lives ended. Oh, look at the road. It's nice and smooth. Look at that.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That's a beautiful road. I've sat here a couple of times on my bike waiting for traffic. Awesome.
Brutal, Dave.
Well, I'm glad they got it. They got it done at least.
Dangerous driving conditions.
But hey, it's clear. It's not that bad.
Now this fucking lane's.
Well, being this.
Holy smokes! I just felt my car slide.
Okay.
It's bad.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I can find it.
Okay, slow down. Yeah.
I'm like in the other lane.
Why don't you stay in the center of both lanes? Do it that way. If you lose control, you got room to skid. I don't care if they want to honk you or whatever. You're better off.
Yeah.
I felt that. Well, if you skid off, you'd hit that. You wouldn't go over the side.
It's hard to see. It's that bad.
If we do go that way, I'm turning this way.
I don't know if I'm in the other lane or what.
Okay, what road should be safest for you to take to get to my place?
I know how I'm going.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think of the safest. Well, you wouldn't want to take that. What I'm thinking might be very bad.
I'm just going slow. That's the safest way.
Yeah, you're a driver.
This road's gonna be frozen. You can feel the salt too.
But salt's good at least.
Oh yeah. I'm scared I'm gonna slide here.
Please don't let anybody be walking across.
Oh, they are. This guy rear end mirror, that's stupid.
Okay, good.
Look at his bumper.
Ooh, well, it's better the bumper than.
Someone hit him, eh? He probably did it on purpose too.
Well, you know, by the look of it, it was very low. It was very slow, so it was a good hit.
My luck, I'd hit him and knock it right off.
Well, I think it was a good hit. If you look at it,
Yeah.
I don't think maybe you want to take this street here. I don't know if it's plowed or not. I don't know what the conditions are.
Yeah, this would be the best street. This street will be plowed before the next one.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, it is a little bit better, maybe. I like the street when I'm coming down on my bike. So I just zip down there, you know.
Yeah.
It's super fast. You can come down here and do the speed limit on the bike.
Yeah. Woohoo! Oh, look at that drift. That's scary. I guess it could just take you at any time because you have no traction, eh? Nice gust of wind to be in the other lane.
Yeah. But at least if you're going slow, nobody's going to get really hurt. That's all I care about.
Yeah.
I just don't want to see anybody get hurt. Because if banged into something or banged into someone else, my first concern would be, what about the people in the other car?
I'm not stopping. Flat and then keep going. Running holes over in my Land Rover.
Your Land Rover, eh?
Yeah.
Why don't you buy a helicopter?
I'd be too scared to drive it.
You'd let me fly it.
Oh yeah.
You'd be having me fly it.
By yourself. Put a life insurance policy on you.
Nah, I probably couldn't get a license, but I'd probably be one of the safest pilots. I would be.
I'm terrified.
If I was driving a car, I'd be one of the safest drivers on the road, because I know.
Unless it had like
We're coming up.
parachute and stuff.
On our
like
left.
One of those ejector seats. Then I'd
Oh, no. You wouldn't have that. You would have a ballistic parachute, man.
Yeah. I'd want something like that.
It uses compressed air to...
Those things are dangerous.
Okay, somebody's coming up there, Dan. Just you don't know. I don't know. Whoa, and he does the maneuver.
The trick is to keep rolling.
He does the maneuver. Hey, man.
When you stop, that's when you get stuck.
Yeah. So I guess you're going to put her in the back right there.
You don't get stuck there.
Trying to think where you're not going to get too much snow on you, maybe. Probably right here's the... Mind you, the garbage truck might come in and try... Well, he won't be able to get in. Forget that. There we go. We're good. You survived, you know that?
Yeah.
Oh, boy. Just so long as the power doesn't go out.
Yeah. During Super Bowl, I would just
Yeah, that's the thing that I was worried about today. I was thinking, oh boy, I don't need that. Because my big plan was that if the power stayed out for a long period of time, I don't know, my phone would start dying. I'd have probably between 5 and 6 recharges on my phone.
Yeah. You're still running that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, man. All right. I got to make one phone call before I come in on today.
Okay.
I don't know what I say.
Okay. Okay. Oh, just be inside.
Yeah, call.
Yeah, whatever. You do that. You tell your girlfriend. Tell your boyfriend. Yeah. Means he's... We made it okay, Leslie. Dan's in the car having a phone call. He'll be in a moment, so wasn't that bad driving down the mountain. We survived. Talk to you later.
Oh, that was dead on, too. One of my own bats.
So, Leslie, you're going to call us when you get a chance and let us know if you, or even just text us and let us know if you're able to get out okay in the morning. Because it's getting bad. It's getting bad out there.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Iceland for the next one.
Dan's just playing on my gaming computer.